Hey everybody, this is Jewelyn. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to my home here in Santa Monica. I'm well over 40 days in quarantine, self-isolation, staying at home, and I am going to be doing another hangout with me for today's episode. So I'm just gonna share how I pack my plants. You guys have been enjoying these episodes, so I'll film them from time to time, and I would like to get these packed up as soon as possible because the post office is about to open and I like to get there when they open first thing in the morning. I live very nearby the post office, so if you guys order plants from me, I will ship it out the next morning. And I got 2 orders last night right before I went to bed, so I want to go ahead and share that in today's video. So let's get started. Okay, baby. Okay, honey. Where are you going? Okay, so I am going to walk Abby with the 4 packages to the post office. It's right across of her vet. So this is going to be our walk of the day. It's a little over a mile, so it's gonna be our first time. Let's go. Alright guys, we are in our halfway mark. It is super sunny, so I'm trying to walk in the shade for Abby, and I'm gonna stop in a little bit to give her some water. Yay, we made it to the post office, 25 minutes. Good job. Guys, that is gonna wrap up another hangout with me. We walked here to the post office a little over a mile, and we actually walked pretty quick in the hot sun, 25 minutes one way. So give this video a big thumbs up. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Subscribe for daily uploads between the main channel Monday to Thursday, the vlog channel Friday through Sunday. You get a video each and every day. And whether you guys are watching the videos, watching the ads that pop up in the videos, purchasing my plants, everything helps. And thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, aloha from Santa Monica, California. Bye guys!